Alright, so now that we've talked about cover pages, I'm going to talk a little bit about headers. So here is the cover page that I came up with after that last tutorial. And now for headers, you're just in the Home tab, and you don't even have to highlight it. You can just be in the word block. And here are your headers. Now I could end the tutorial here and say, well, now you play around and see what you do. But you can say, okay, well, I want heading 1, but now I don't like that size, so I want to change the size. I want to change the color. I want to go into format. I want to change the, I want to change how it reads. See, there's something fun you can do. I want to, that's the color, we already did that. And so lots of different options on what you can do. You want to add a reflection. It's harder to see because of what I've got going on there, but the reflection just, I'll add a reflection here so you can see. It just reflects. Anyway, so here's some different options. There we go. Reflection. And boom. There you go. Reflection. So you can play around with the styles and the headers. You can say, okay, well, I want to insert a header here, but maybe I want to make that more of the subtitle. And then you can change it around depending on what you want. A couple other headers that I really like, if you're doing like an article format, there's this one here. You can still change the size playing with these if you don't like exactly how it looks. You can do that. You can still change the color of the text. You see these borders here. These are under the borders and shading. And so you can also change the color of that. And now you've got more of an article. Oh, when you change the color, you have to click the color on. So change the color and then you add it and you add it. And then you say, okay, you can turn it into a box. You can add it on 3 sides. You can have it as an underline or an above line. Borders gives you a lot of options, but that's another thing. There's lots of these different headers to choose from. Just pick your text and pick a header. Here it's just going to do the one word. So you want to either highlight what you want or click into the word you want and it will change that word. So there you go for headers.